Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to backup Streamlabs OBS scenes. So let's go to the OBS first. Then you'll find on top left corner this profile icon, this file option. Click on this file and choose show settings folder or show profile folder. Choose this one, show profile folder. And then you can see here the OBS backup. You have to choose one and then you can back it up like this. So you have to select any content from here. Then you can see that this will automatically back up from here. Okay. uh, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.